We are on the street. Court. What's the town called?
This is Killarney.
Killarney. This is the carriages we are going to ride on.
Go into the handy store.
Handy store? Wanna go?
Turn it off.
Okay. So, wait for beautiful afternoon.
Yeah. All right. Get on.
That's the hotel we stay in.
Yes. Oh, it's going down for a drink.
Go down for drink.
Country craft.
One side.
Yeah, on camera again.
Where are we going right now? Find that one? Okay. Oh, you know what? The whole thing we had to record again. I forgot to push the button.
Alright, let's go. Oh, we're just walking. We're in Killarney. Strolling along the street here. Just walking into a couple of shops and seeing what they have. It's a beautiful day. Everybody's out enjoying this weather. The cinema.
Killarney.
That may be where we're going next.
To see the show, right?
Right, there's a show tonight. What to do? Along the rail there.
The world there.
I didn't buy another lap. No, two, good. Easy.
This is
Do we have it?
It's a charcoal
Restaurant.
got
Burger.
crispy kebab meals, snacks, bags, meals, chips and drinks, filet burgers, cheeseburgers, fish meal.
Very good price too.
Oh, I didn't know.
$10.
Most probably euros, so probably like 13 US, but still. Let's go interiors. Accessories.
parking lot for them.
Wow. Get out of the sun. That was awful.
Yeah, that's the wind.
Church over there.
That's another church over there. Church. In front of us, there's a church.
Office and bookshop.
Can you ever read the name of the church?
I don't see where it is.
And there's a two bull statues over there.